Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Zabbix Server 7.4 on Rocky Linux 9 by using MySQL as the database. And the prerequisites are you must have web server and MySQL is installed. Okay, I have already installed MySQL. If you haven't installed MySQL, then check for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Server 8.0.4 on Rocky Linux operating systems. Then web server is not installed, I will show you how to install. Okay, so open the default web browser that comes with Rocky Linux. Click on it. Then go to Zabbix.com. See, Zabbix 7.4 is out now. Click on Get Zabbix. Then select Zabbix packages. Then scroll down. Now we have to choose platform. Okay, select the Zabbix version. 7.4 is the latest one. Then select Rocky Linux. Then select OS versions 9. Then Zabbix components, I am going to select server, frontend and agent, and database MySQL. Web server I am going to use Apache. So first verify this MySQL and Apache is installed or not. Okay. Also we will verify the version of the Rocky Linux. more/etc os-release. See, I am on Rocky Linux 9.6. See here. So I have selected. Now next verify the MySQL and Apache web server. Control A. MySQL -u root -p. See, I have installed MySQL Server 8.0.4. So I am using Apache Web Server. So verify whether Apache Web Server is installed or not. So exit, Control A, sudo systemctl status http d. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, Apache web server is not installed. So install it. Sudo dnf install http d. Hit enter. Type I for confirmation and hit enter. See, it is installing http Apache web server version 2.4 and these dependencies. Type I for confirmation and hit enter. Control A. Now. So prerequisites done. Next, step 2, install and configure Zabbix for your platform. So if there is any package for the Zabbix, you have to exclude by giving this command in this repo file. I don't have anything, so directly go to this file, this command to install the repository. Sudo, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now dnf clean, dnf clean all. Control A, nothing is there. Then install Zabbix server frontend and agent. So copy this command, but give the sudo, paste it, hit enter. See, it is going to install these components and the version of the Zabbix is 7.4.0. okay, so type and hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Zabbix Server 7.4. Control A. Now create the initial database. So see here, step C, it is going to create the database Zabbix, user Zabbix, and it is going to grant all privileges to this user on this database. Okay, then we are going to set this global value to 1. So connect to MySQL server and run these commands one by one. MySQL -u root -. Then provide the password of this root account. See, we have successfully connected. Control A. Now run these commands one by one. So copy this one, paste it, then create the user, hit enter. See, password policy does not match, so don't give this password. See, I have given this password, but don't give this one. I'm giving only caps here, caps password. Hit enter. Still it is not match. I'm giving admin@123. Remember this password. Later we need this password. So you have successfully created. Now verify the list of the databases, whether this Zabbix database is created or not. See, database Zabbix is created. Now verify the list of the users. Select user from mysql.user. See, Zabbix user is created. Now we have to grant the privileges. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Set the global value to 1. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now we have to import initial schema and data. So copy this one, exit. Now paste it. Here we have to give the password, this one, that caps A admin@123 in my case. So we have to give this password and remember this one. Hit enter. So give the password admin@123. See, now it is importing schema and data. This will take 1 or 2 minutes. It is done. Now connect to MySQL server again. Then set this global value to 0. So copy this one. Control A, MySQL -u root -p. Provide the password. Hit enter. Now exit. Control A. Now we have to configure the database for Zabbix server. So go to this path. Then for this DB password parameter, we have to give the password of the Zabbix user. I have given admin@123. So give the same. If you have given some other, then you have to provide that one. So copy this path. That is config file path. Sudo vi or use the whatever the text editor that you are familiar with. Paste it. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. DB name, DB user, Zabbix. See, we have this DB password parameter. Remove the hash from the starting. Shift A. Then provide the password of the Zabbix user. Then escape, WQ, exclamation, hit enter. It is done. Now step E. We have to restart Zabbix server, agent and HTTP and PHP FPM. So copy this one. Paste it, hit enter. We have to give sudo. Yeah, cancel it again, cancel. Sudo paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now restart these services. Copy it, sudo, paste it, hit enter. Successfully done. Now verify the status of the Zabbix server. Sudo systemctl status Zabbix -server. See, Zabbix server is running and it is enabled. Quit. And these are the processes running for the Zabbix server. Control A. Now open Zabbix web UI page by going to this one. So HTTP host means host name. Here host name is localhost only. So give localhost Zabbix. Localhost /Zabbix, hit enter. See, welcome to Zabbix 7.4. Then select the default language from this list. Then click on next step. See, check for prerequisites. All are green. Okay. So click on next step. Then select database MySQL. Then database host, because MySQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Then if it is installed on some other, then you have to provide. Then port for the MySQL is 3306. Database Zabbix, user also same. then provide the password of this Zabbix user, that is admin@123. Then click on next. Not now. Then provide the Zabbix server name. Zabbix server is installed on this one. Localhost is fine, or you can give IP of this machine, that is ifconfig. Then you can get the IP. Okay. Then default time zone. I'm going with the defaults. Team remaining options. I'm going with the defaults. Click on next step. See, this is the pre-installation summary. If you're okay with all the settings, then click on next step. See, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend, and this is the configuration file. Click on finish. Now we have to connect, but the default username is admin. Here must be caps. Then password is Zabbix. For this username and password, you can check that video description. There I have given the username and password. Okay, but if you give like small a admin instead of caps in this admin, if you give small a, it won't work. Click on sign in. Now see, unable to connect. So password is Zabbix. Then click on sign in. Not now. See, successfully connected. See, these are the failed items. Okay, it's fine. Then close this one. See, we have installed Zabbix Server 7.4.0. Okay, go to users. See, here we have in the left side we have dashboards, monitoring, services, inventory, reports, data collection, alerts, users, administration. Okay, if you want to edit this dashboard, you have to click on here. Suppose you want to change the password of the currently logged in user, click on users and go to users. Now click on username. See, this is the user that you have connected. Click on username, then click on change password. If you want to change the username, you have to. Okay, then click on change password. You have to provide current password and new password. Then you have to click on update. I'm cancelling. And if you want to create new user, click on create new user. Then you have to provide all these details. Okay, if you go to administration, see here in administration we have these options. Okay, the last option that I want to show you is, you will see what will happen if you stop the Apache web server. Sudo systemctl stop httpd. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, Apache web server is stopped. So now reload this page. See, unable to connect. So to connect, Apache web server must be up and running. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start httpd. Hit enter. Now reload this page. See, we are able to connect. Instead of host, I have used the host name, but we can also give the loopback IP. Loopback IP or IP address. So I am going to use the loopback IP 0.127.0.0.1/Zabbix. Hit enter. See, you got the login page. See, you have successfully logged in with loopback IP as well. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Zabbix Server 7.4 on Linux by using MySQL as the database. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.